Bonnie Hoellein YouTube channel. It is your average day at the Hoellein household with a four-wheeler getting stuck, kids going sledding. Here we have Cody Hoellein on the, I can't remember what it's called, Polaris something. Good job, Cody. Here we have Big Daddy Hoellein. He is unraveling the monster with the new tracks. If you haven't seen his video on his channel, putting the tracks on his four-wheeler, you're missing out. Link's down below. Link, you gotta have a coat. Did you see him shake his head no to me? You don't say no to Mama Hoellein. Jolie needs me to move his truck so he can get the four-wheeler out. Guess who slept till noon today? Mommy and Daddy Hoellein.
Let it warm up, sweetie. By diesel, when you push it in the wintertime, it'll say warming up. You gotta let it warm up.
Nobody puts baby in a corner. He actually got mad at me. He was like, no, seriously, you cannot do that. I'm sorry, honey.
You gotta let the glow plugs warm up, Dolly.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Trying to break my truck?
I'm sorry. I'm videoing ya. Cold toes, cold toes, cold toes, cold toes.
Nope. You didn't really stick that landing. It's so icy. Hey, you almost stuck that landing. This hill is sheer ice, guys. This is so slippery.
It's so fun though.
It is kind of fun sledding though. Here, I'll help you get that one up there. It's heavy. Oh. Oh, hey guys. Look at this pretty little girl showing up here. Wowzers. Is there an air purifier somewhere I don't know about?
Walk behind her.
That's how Mom always walks, Olivia.
My third sense was telling me you needed me.
Yeah?
I'm here.
Oh, this is fun. Pretty cute. Hi, Dolly.
Hi. Hey, baby.
Oh, hey, baby.
Hey, baby. This is a cute area.
Isn't that kind of fun?
Hey, baby, wait for me. All right. Oh, well, I guess we're all going. gold. Favorite Home Alone quote, go.
Credit card number? Is it okay if I work on my cannonballs?
That's how I am.
Credit card number? You got it. 911. Whoa. Whoa. What a hole. What a hole.
My parents are in Florida and I'm in New York.
Been there, done that.
My parents are in Florida and I'm in New York. Get on your knees and tell me you love me. I love you. Buzz, your girlfriend. Whoa.
You smell that, Marv? Yeah. Fish. No, it's victory.
No, it's freedom.
Harry! Get up, Marv!
Suck brick!
That you little trap sniffer.
Put a foot out.
Suck brick, Mom!
Okay. Okay, story time for you. One time Jill and I were not on speaking terms for like a couple weeks, and I think it was like right at the new year. We didn't have a four-wheeler, all the kids just got dumped, and we were so sick of looking at each other in the house and just being cooped up, and it just was a miserable time. We were both so miserable, and we were like, you know what? Well, we needed, okay, someone's crying. We needed to get the kids out of the house. Uh-oh. So we brought the kids here, and we didn't have a four-wheeler, and so we just pulled the kids by hand. It was the biggest workout of my life, and by the time we got home, I felt like I could stand Joel. It was, you know, what happened? Well, maybe you shouldn't have said, suck brick, Mom. You should have stopped at suck brick. Maybe that's your karma. You don't say that to Mommy. No, I said you could say suck brick. I didn't say you could say suck brick, Mom. He actually did ask me if he could say, can I say suck brick? What's the matter? What happened? What's happening?
Lincoln dumped snow shit in the back. Oh, it's in my sleeve.
I seriously was like, what is happening? He broke his Achilles heel. What's happening?
More snow.
You don't throw snow at Mom. You will die. Thank you. Oh, okay. All right. Well, things are starting to go south here, so I think we're gonna close this cute little first of the day year vlog.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year. We might add in some clips here at the end. It'll be the
last thing you ever do.
Dad, can you empty out the snow booth?
Yeah, you put that hand down now, son. That's not gonna fly.
I'll make you walk home barefoot.
Do you know what I love? I love that you can play, but you know your limits, and you know Mom is off limits.
Do it again.
That's just how it rolls.
Hey, should we go for another little spin?
Yeah! Okay, we are officially closing the vlog. This is the first day of the new year. Feels like it's gonna be a good one.
2021's already great. Hey, how can you smell and taste like kogani?
Oh, like a Korean restaurant? Well, because I haven't brushed my teeth since last night.
That's my goal for 2021, is not brush my teeth.
Did you just burp?
I did. Did it smell like Korean?
I thought my order was served.
I could never settle down too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound. I stick by them till I'm in the ground. Resting on the myth of old, all of the stories I've been told. Secret places hidden well are gone now as far as I can tell.
Oh, that looks... Oh, that's not so good.
All I know is I'm on my way to become a pouring deserve a better one. I've come to realize time goes by on its own. I am stuck here without a home.
Oh, that was hurt.
They can't